Hi everyone, welcome back to the garden. So today we have a few things going on. We have a cone boxwood that I'm going to plant, and it's going to be near this beautiful oak that I love. We recently took out the sedums and I've been wanting something evergreen in there. This area, while beautiful, doesn't have a whole lot of evergreen structure. And if you've seen past videos, the backyard is really where I want to focus this year. So I have a cone boxwood we're going to put in, as well as work on the big pile of mulch. So come along and let's see what we get done on this beautiful day. All right, so it is the next day, as yesterday got a little bit hectic. So I want to show you where I'm at and where I wound up leaving it off for the time being. Now, I won't be able to get to more mulch today or tomorrow due to rain. It rained a little while ago and it's supposed to rain most of the day tomorrow, but I did get a lot accomplished. So let me show you. All right, so there was a pile of rocks that had been sitting there for a while. So before I moved up this way in mulch, I wanted to get those out, and that actually took quite a while to get through those rocks because they had been sitting there. Some had gotten into the ground, and so I had to dig some of them up. But what I wound up doing was, this used to end right about here. I made the path or the edge longer, and then I actually filled it in more just so it looked more complete. And I took it all the way up and around, so that looks much better. This bed did wind up getting finished, and this is the cone boxwood that I planted, and I actually love the play of colors here. So back here is an azalea, this is an azalea, artemisia, the boxwood, this is a fountain grass, and daylilies and daffodils here. There are also hostas that come in through here, and a couple of other things. So that should fill in nicely, although we will be filling in more. This is what it looks like right now. And the next stop is going to take the mulch from here, come all the way up, and then around this flower bed, and all the way up to, the top up here. So that will be the next step. So thank you for coming along and seeing what I'm working on in the garden now. And I hope you get a chance to enjoy your garden. Until next time, bye.